Mastering the art of identifying early trends in Forex, crypto, and stocks. Welcome to the Path channel. Today I'm going to show you how to find the beginning of a trend using our unique indicators so you can maximize your profit. With this strategy, you can easily identify when a trend is starting without worrying about fake moves. Alright, this strategy works on 50 minutes time frame and up. Okay, but the 4-hour time frame is the sweet spot for this strategy because it takes approximately 2 to 3 days to finish the trade. Okay, it's not too fast, it's not too long. Semi swing trading. And if you prefer scalping, the 1-hour time frame is the way to go. Additionally, the strategy works on Forex, indices, cryptocurrency, and even stock markets. We'll include a few examples so you can see how it works in different markets. Without further ado, let's get to it. First thing first, we're using the MT4 chart and there are 7 indicators attached to the chart. Alright, the first indicator is called BBMA, which is the dotted red line over here. Okay, the second indicator is called the super trend line, which is the yellow line over here. Alright, thirdly, the channel, which consists of 2 maroon lines. The top one is called the top channel and the bottom one is called the bottom channel. Simple as that. The fourth one is called the 200 arrow, which are the red arrows over here and over here. Okay, and the fifth one is called the sunflower, which is the yellow thing here that looks like a flower. This one, and this one here underneath the 200 arrow. And the sixth one is called the anchor arrow, which is the yellow arrow over here. This one and this one here. This one is called the timer, which is the timer here, obviously. Don't let these indicators confuse you because this strategy is super simple and straight to the point. There's nothing complicated about it. And if you can follow a simple direction with patience, this strategy is for you. Now that you know all the indicators, let's start on how this strategy works. For a buy order, and by the way, this one is USD JPY on 4-hour time frame. Okay, for a buy order, the BBMA red line here must cross the bottom channel and be followed by the super trend line, which is the yellow line here. Okay, and before placing an order, there are 2 things you need to consider. First, the 200 arrow, the red arrow here, and the anchor arrow, which is the yellow arrow here, need to be present like so. Now, we don't base our entry on these arrows because they tend to move. We just use them for extra confirmation to make our entry strong. Alright, now if they are there, you need to wait until the bullish candle like this one cross over and inside the super trend line like so, like this one here. Okay, now you wait until this bullish candle expire and your entry is on the next candle, which going to be over here. Okay, all right, now and look what happened. You enter over here, it just goes up. Okay, now for the sell order, it's the same way as the buy order but just the opposite. Okay, the BBMA, the dotted red line must cross the top channel and followed by the super trend line, the yellow line here. Okay, and once again, before placing an order, there are 2 things you need to consider. First, the 200 arrow and the anchor arrow need to be present like so. Now if they are there, you need to wait until the bearish candle cross over and inside the trend line like so. Okay, see, cross, and your entry is going to be on the next candle. And as you can see, I have some orders in this for Euro USD. Okay, now the market is Saturday, so the market is closed. See, as you can see, look, I have this one here. Look, okay, I have a few order of Euro USD. One more thing, if the super trend line crosses first instead of the BBMA, if the super trend line crosses first, what happened? If that happened, you need to wait until the BBMA crosses too. Okay, so both of them need to cross the top channel or the bottom channel. All right, okay, the entry is still the same as I explained before. Now let's see how this strategy works on some currency, crypto, and stocks. This one is NAS 100 on 1-hour time frame. As you can see, the BBMA crossed the top channel followed by the super trend line, and then the bearish candle is inside the super trend line, and look what happened. Boom, it drops. All right, this one is US 30 daily. See what happened? The BBMA crossed the bottom channel followed by the super trend line, and the bullish candle is inside the super trend line. Your entry is going to be on the next candle. Look what happened. Boom, it goes up. All right, this one is cat CHF. Look at this one. All right, the BBMA crossed the bottom channel followed by the super trend line, and the bullish candle is inside the super trend line. Your entry is going to be on the next candle. Look what happened, it jumps up. See, on this one here, I have an order here too, but I caught it late. Okay, that's why instead of over here, my order is over here because I caught it late. Okay, this one is gold. All right, this one, look at this one. The BBMA crossed the top channel followed by the super trend line, and then the bearish candle is inside the super trend line. Your entry is going to be over here, and look what happened, it drops. Boom. Okay, and you're just going to close the trade over here. All right, this one is JPY. Look at this one. This one is fresh. It's yesterday. Look, the BBMA on this one, the super trend line crossed first instead of the BBMA. Okay, but both of them crossed the bottom channel, and then you need to wait until the bullish candle is inside the super trend line. The bullish candle is inside. Your entry is going to be on the next candle, and look what happened. Goes up. All right, without hesitation. Okay, this one is Euro AUD. All right, look at this one. The same thing. The BBMA crossed the bottom channel followed by the super trend line, the bullish candle. The next candle is your entry. Boom, it goes up. All right, I think this one is same thing, Euro GBP. All right, this one is 8 USD, same thing. Look at this one. This one is beautiful. It's 1 hour time frame. The super trend line cross, the BBMA cross, the bearish candle is inside the super trend line. This is your entry, and then you just drop. All right, this one is US CAT. All right, same thing. Okay, JBP USD. Look at this one, it's beautiful. Look at this cross, the BBMA, the top channel followed by the super trend line. Bearish is inside, bearish candle is inside the super trend line, and then you just drop. All right, without hesitation. Let moves to oh, look, this one is USD CHF. Okay, look, I have some orders for USD CHF as well. As you can see, the BBMA across the bottom channel, and then the super trend line is not crossing the bottom channel, but it's just touching it. Okay, the bullish candle is inside the super trend line, and look, my entry is over here. Look, and then boom, it goes up. Okay, I should have closed this one, but you know, once again, I came home late, so this why I didn't close this one here. Okay, but I'm not worried. I think it's still going to go up. This one is XRP. All right, I'm watching this one. This one is live actually, as you can see. Look, the timer is moving. It's 36. Okay, now everything is there already. Okay, now all I just have to wait for the bearish candle is inside the super trend line. If the bearish candle inside here, all right, I'm going to put the sell order on the next candle. Okay, because everything is there. The super trend line is crossing the top channel, BBMA crossing the top channel, anchor arrow is there, 200 arrow is there. All right, so I'm watching this. This one is Neo. Okay, look at this one. Boom, the super trend line cross, BBMA cross. Okay, and then you just drop. This one is LTC. Look at this, Litecoin. Okay, cross. Look, the bearish candle, and then it drop. This one is Ethereum. Oh, this one is beautiful. Look at this, super trend line cross, followed by the BBMA, the bullish candle. Then your entry is going to be on the next candle, and then this what happened? Boom. Oh yeah, folks, the pattern, it doesn't move anywhere. It stays there. When it makes this pattern, it stays. It doesn't, it's not going to move here or there, in a minute or the next day. it's going to stay there, so you don't have to worry. Okay, BTC USD is the same. Look at this, BTC USD. Okay, now let's move to stock markets. All right, this one is Tesla. Look at this. This one is on 1 hour time frame. The BBMA crossed the top channel, followed by the super trend line, and then boom, bearish candle. Your entry is going to be over here. All right, boom, and you let go, close the trade over here. This one is Google. Look what happened. This one is beautiful. BBMA crossed the bottom channel, followed by the super trend line, bullish candle. Your entry is going to be over here. What happened? Boom, jumps up. It happened twice. The BBMA crossed the bottom channel, followed by the super trend line. Look, bullish candle. You entry over here. What happened? Jumps. Boom. Okay. This one is Cisco. Look at this. It's beautiful. This one, look at what happened. The BBMA crossed the top channel, followed by the super trend line. What happened? Bearish candle. Entry over here. Drops. Same thing over here. BBMA cross bottom channel, super trend channel. Look what happened. The bullish candle, entry over here, jumps. Okay, this one is ARG, same thing. Okay, cross, bearish candle, drop. This one is Adidas. Look what happened. Look, cross the bottom channel, the BBMA, followed by the super trend line. Bearish candle, entry over here. What happened? Jump. This one is 4 hour time frame, Adidas. Okay, this is the last one, Airbnb. All right, the BBMA crossed the bottom channel, followed by the super trend line, the bullish candle, and what happened? Boom, jumps up. All right, as you can see, folks, the strategy is super straightforward and powerful, and the entry is like a sniper shot. All right, if you are interested in learning this strategy, you can contact me on my Telegram at Grandmaster Ray. The link is in the description below. Alright, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel where I do live streaming signals based on this strategy. And also join my brand new Forex signals provider at pass.com. Thank you for watching, and if you have any questions, feel free to ask. Happy trading!